Cut it nice.
Get ready to get busy.
It's been so long, and I paid my dues. And with rhymes like these, yo, Shan can't lose. You won't believe the strange thought that occurred to me. So intense, it absolutely startled me. I knew that I was bugging when I stopped walking. I think that you should hear me, I'm the conscious talking. If you don't wanna listen, hey, it ain't no thing. You rap for a living, but you wish you could sing. You think your life is complete, there's a lot that you're missing. You enjoy making music for the people to listen. Hip-hop is your life, my oath you were sworn. Now it's time to start the mission for which you were born. You've acquired a rep, now you're labeled as villain. But I don't really care, Shan will always be chillin'. That's what I'm trying to say, that's just part of your style. You were wow, wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. Cut it nice.
Get ready to get busy.
I couldn't forget no matter how I tried, but my conscience just wouldn't let a day go by. All day long I'd watch and observe. No, I gotta be joking, that's word to herd. I can take a licking and keep on smiling. Who needs a license to ill? I was born to be wildin'. Rhyme sweeter than a premium vintage grape from the paper. I knew it sound dope on tape. Never in a rush, I'm cold chillin'. And the next perpetrator I find, I'm killin'. Just ask your boys how many heads I flew. And that's why I roll with the juice crew. That voice in my mind taught me one lesson. I was born to be wild and only suckers be fessin'. I knew I had a purpose since the days of a child. I was wow, wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. Cut it nice.
Get ready to get busy.
The meaning of wild is not screaming and yelling. It's about showing and proving and not showing and telling. All you counterfeit rappers, you might as well quit. You never hear me say I'm bad, being wild. Rap symbol and never been defeated yet. If rap was a crime, know how much time I'd get. The best impersonator couldn't copy my style. And even if he did, you know what I do? As a matter of fact, it's what I already did. I pulled out a rhyme and cold blasted his lip. Once opponents get on, they're guilty as tried. The dignity stripped along with manhood and pride. Don't be brave and save yourself a hospital bill. You can't charge me with assault cause I asked you to chill. When they're slipping on the cuffs, I gracefully smiled cause I was wow, wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. Cut it nice.
Get ready to get busy.
Born to be wild, I'm taking command. While you're performing, people screaming out, we want Shan. I'm colder than ice and hot as a flame. And my rhymes are always clever, but they're never the same. What's wrong with your girl? Somebody ought to slap her for being in the presence of a low-life rapper. This rhyme was pressed at the special edition. I was born to be wild and you're the one on a mission. Allow me to say that I weaken resistance. Make examples just to prove my mortal existence. Born to be wild means a prototype, and the roar of the crowd increases the hype. You have to be bold to try and steal my rhyme, or even to diss cause you think that I'm a sucker, a softie, or even a child. But I